Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it's time for a bike check. Yeah. I ride gloves. Like, some people say it's gay to ride gloves, like your sissy hands, but like, guys, don't care what people say. You ride your bike however you want to ride it. Alright, here we go. We got the 2012 Verde Eon in blue. It's mostly all stock. Here we have the animal. The animal ASM tire. I did a dance comp unboxing on it. I also got the gloves, but on my front rim, I just have some dance comp stickers, as you can see, like right there. Some dance comp. My tire's a little bit muddy, but yeah. Overall, this is a good bike. I mean, I run my chainwheel on the right side. Like, some people ride on the left, but see, on the 2011, everybody says to get new pedals, I mean, they're not as bad on the 2012s, but I did, like, I broke off a pin right here. But, overall, it's a good bike. The grips suck. I mean, I've had this bike since, like, not that long ago, and they're so worn down, it's not even funny. I mean, I got I don't even know what to pick. I think they're shadow pegs. I don't know if they are, though. Yeah, so this is a cool bike. If you want to hear the hub. That's my bike check. Leave what you think of it in the comments section. Oh, and yeah, I got a Protect helmet. It's crappy. But yeah, it's my bike.